This is the installation that you start for Windows 2000. You press any key on the keyboard. Any key. It means any key on the keyboard you can press. And we're going to go through the setup. It's loading the files right now. Ready? Process. Okay, now this is where you press enter to hit setup. To repair the installation, you press R. To quit setup without installing, press F3. So we're going to press enter. And then we got to go through the EULA. And we'll just press F8 if you want to read that. You go through it, press the page. All it on the NTFS drive C here, on the top here. We would press the enter key, and then we'd either create a partition or delete a partition. And you can read. It says press D to create a partition, to delete partition, and press C to create unpartitioned space. We already did this on this machine, so we're good. We'll just let go from there. And here we are at 100%. We're waiting for it to change. Now it's setting up, now it's copying the files. We're at 96%. Now it's going into 99%. Now it's going to installation. It's configuring Windows 2000 right now. Now it's restarting. Now I could hit the enter key here now, but we're going to wait. Press enter. It's restarting. Here's the configuration, detecting and installing devices on your computer. On this one, it's an old PCI one, so. Here is the Windows user setup guide here. User setup. We just click on, read the text here. We can customize to change out the keyboard layout. This is the local settings here. Let's just keep it as is and go next. We'll type in our name. Here we got the name typed in and the business, the Andy's Computer Shack. And now we're on the screen that says type in the product key. We'll be right back with that information. And we'll click next and we'll show you the next screen after we've typed in the product key. We'll be right back. Here we got the desktop name. We're going to change this to the computer we have here. Here's where we set up the time. We're going to do Central. And it's February. Here we choose typical or custom settings. And you can customize your internet settings, but we're just gonna we're installing the components for Windows. Now we're copying the files from the CD drive, DVD drive we have. This will take a while, so we'll be right back. We're on the last part of setup. The installing start menu items, registering components is on currently. And then we'll save settings and remove any temporary files used. This will take a while, so we'll let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. We logged in. We just did next. Now we're going to do next. And we're going to click finish. And it automatically logged me in. This is where it froze last time I had it. I found. Now we're successfully booted. We've got Windows.